Hey guys, so let's get into the review of Adsense Profit Secrets. Okay, so this is the review page where you will be redirected once you click the top link of this video, topmost link of this video. Okay, so this is a meme created by me. Okay, so you can check that by coming this website. Okay, so let's get into the review. So this is a statistics that is showing you that how much drastic change are in this Google revenue. Okay, Google AdSense revenue, sorry. So this is a huge change. You can see there are more than 130 billion US dollars has been invested on Google revenue, AdSense revenue. Okay, so these are the now some facts are there. You can check this also, and this is the main tool, and this is the feature and facilities. Okay, so these are the ratings and these are the key features. So mainly this tool is based on this tool is an ebook. Okay, is an ebook trilogy ebook from totally beginner to totally pro expert, whatever you can say, or you want to say, you can say that this is an ebook totally hugely knowledge base. Okay, you can get every knowledge of Google AdSense. There are so many so many companies or so many peoples are there that they have hundreds of websites and they are collecting huge revenue from Google AdSense, but you don't have to own hundred of sites, and it is really time taking. Okay, so that is why this tool has been made, that you can customize your if you customize your small websites or little or whatever 10 or 20 websites you have, or maybe 1, 2, 3 websites you have. If you can customize the full optimizing power from your websites using AdSense, you can get a huge revenue, huge traffic and huge revenue from Google AdSense. Okay, that's why this tool has been made. These are some features, and this is the 2 cons that I have found in this tool. That this tool is not an automated tool, as this is a ebook, so not a software like stuff. It is that's why it is time taking, and that's why I have given the rating in performance or ease of using respectively 86% and 85%, a little bit lower. Okay, so as this is a effort based tool, that means you have to give effort and then you will get the result. Okay, so this is also a con. Okay, so my timer is coming near to 3 minutes, as this is not a premium version. I have to restart my timer, my video recording. Okay, this is the pricing. Okay, and this is the launch date starts and launch date ends time, and the guarantee period 90 days. And this is the main thing which I am giving you. I am collecting this from so many days. I have collected so much valuable bonuses. I will show you. Okay, so this is the link where you will get where you will be redirected to the product Adsense Profit Secrets. Okay, so what is this and what is the inside, what you will get inside of this product. Okay, I have mentioned all of the everything and who can use it, the product owner. Okay, so this is my final word. My final word is this tool is valuable, cheap and valuable, totally knowledgeable product, but it is only for them who want to optimize the power of Google AdSense. Okay, not for everyone, and no one should buy this who don't want to use Google AdSense, but who want to use Google AdSense, this is highly recommended for them. Okay, so these are the bonuses which I want to show you. Let me show you. These are the bonuses. Let me show you. I'm scrolling down. You can see that these are the huge bonuses. I am collecting this so many days. I have collected this day by day, and I have put it. Sorry, my English is a little bit bad. Okay, so I have put it one place, I gathered in one place, and I am giving you these all bonuses once you have purchased this product within $12.99. Okay, so this product and let me show you that there are 65 bonuses total, and after that I am giving you also a mega bonus, that is 100 products with resales rights and PDF, SEO stuff, software, everything are given into it. And and you can, oh, I am checking the timer, okay, sorry. So you can get all of the huge bonuses, okay. So once you have brought this, and then you can click on this blue link, that affiliate bonus, okay. So you will get all of the bonuses. You can see that I am giving you huge bonuses. You can brought this from anyone you want. As you are seeing this, you want to brought this, you can brought this from anyone, but you will not get these bonuses from them, okay. Maybe they are giving you some extra bonuses. You can buy from them, and if they are not giving, if they are giving little bonuses, then you can buy from me, okay. So this was the review, okay. This was the product, and this is the home page, and this is a PDF, okay. So this was the main product, and this was the whatever I want to say. I have already said to you. There are so many stuffs are hidden in Google AdSense. You can optimize it its full power once you have learned it, okay. So this is the all bonuses and all thing I have showed to you, and this is a PDF which is a review PDF. I can also give it to you once you have put your email on the comment section. Comment section is here. You can type your email. I will give you the review version PDF of this tool, okay. So now I am signing out. So bye bye.